We are going to see how we can convert a decimal like this with some digit having recurring and some digit not having recurring. Now let it be x. Here it can be written as x is equal to 2.4333 and so on. Here we can see one digit does not have recurring and one digit has recurring. First we will bring this digit without recurring to this side. For this we will have to multiply both sides by 10. Multiply both sides by 10. As only one digit does not have recurring here, it becomes 10x is equal to 24.333 and so on. Let it be equation 1. Here we can see one digit is repeating, means one digit has recurring over it. Now we will have to bring this to this side for this one digit. So we will multiply again this equation 1 by 10. Multiply equation 1 by 10, both sides. Here it will become 100x is equal to 243.333 and so on. Let it be equation 2. Now we will subtract equation first from second. We get 100x minus x is minus 10x. This is 10x is equal to this minus this 243.333 and so on minus 24.333 and so on. 100 minus 10 we get 90x. When we will subtract this from this, it is 243.333 and 24.333 we get 0, 13 minus 4 9, 3 minus 2 1 and 219 we are getting here, 219. Therefore x is equal to 219 upon 90. This is the fractional form of this decimal, that is 2.43 recurring over 3. Let us see another example. Suppose we have a number 1.793. Here we are having recurring over 93. That is, this number can be written as x is equal to 1.79393 and so on. Means 93 will be repeating here. Here we have one digit without recurring. We will first bring this digit to this side. Since it is only one digit, so we multiply both sides by 10. Multiply both sides by 10. We get 10x is equal to 17.9393 and so on. Let it be equation 1. Now we are having here two digit with recurring sign, means 9393 repeating here. We will multiply this equation by 100 to bring this 993 to this side. When we multiply this by 100 we get 1000 and this will become 1793.9393 and so on. Let it be equation 2. Now we will subtract this equation 1 from equation 2. 1000x minus 10x, this will become 1793.9393 minus 17.9393 and so on. 1000 minus 10 we get 990x. Now we will subtract this from this 1793.9393 17.9393 and so on. Here we have 0, 13 minus 7 6 we get, 8 minus 1 we get 7 here, 1776. We are getting 1776. Therefore, x will become 1776 upon 990. So, therefore, 1.793 with recurring over 93 will be written as 1776 upon 990. In this way, we can represent a decimal into fraction having some digit with recurring sign and some digit without recurring sign. Now, I am going to give some questions for practice. Convert into fraction. First, 1.9. Second, 1.79. Third, 1.798. These three numbers.